fishing in the rain. The hopper has 1 week left before school began. They were supposed to go camping with Grandpa Gully, but it's rain and rain. Come on, Hopper, we will go camping, rain or shine, said Grandpa Gully. Once the tent get wet, asked Floppy Ears, we will be able to build a campfire, said Speedy Legs. Our hot dog and marshmallows will get soggy, says Fluffy Tail. Camping is any fun in the rain, sniffed Snippy Nose. But fish always bite when it rains, says Grandpa Gully. He pulled out 4 new fishing poles of the hoppers. We will go fishing, cried the hoppers. Thank you, Grandpa Gully. The hopper carried their paws into the woods. Grandpa Gully set up his big tent. Inside it was dry and comfortable, but the hopper didn't mind the rain. They sat on the blanket of the river and fished. Grandpa Gully said, you must be very quiet so you don't scare the fish. Just then, Speedy Legs began to sneeze. He sneezed so loud that not a fish would bite. Then Floppy Ear began to cough. She coughed so much that the fish all swam away. I think we have been in the rain too long, said Grandpa Gully. We should go in the tent before you all catch a cone. But I want to fish some more, says Snippy Nose. You can catch one more time, says Grandpa Gully. Snippy Nose cast as far as he could, but he cast too hard that he fell right into the water. Help me, cried Snippy Nose. I can't swim. Grandpa Gully jumped into the river and pulled Snippy Nose out. Pulled Snippy Nose up. Then he carried Snippy Nose to shore and wound a towel around him. Oh no, my fishing pole is still in the water, cried Snippy Nose. Grandpa Gully leaned back bravely back into the chilly river. He found Snippy Nose pole on the mud bottom. Then he handled it to Snippy Nose before getting out of the water. My hook is caught on something, said Snippy Nose. Something is pulling on the line, said Speedy Legs. It wiggled around, said Fluffy Tail. It dinged your paw, said Floppy Ears. You caught a fish, Snippy Nose, said Grandpa Gully. Rip it in. Snippy Nose pulled on the pole on the river, the line in. The fish was so strong, all the hoppers had to help him pull. Finally, they caught the biggest fish they had in sea. Let's go in our tent and have a fish dinner, says Grandpa Glee. All the hoppers went into the tent, dried off, and ate a fresh fish dinner. They were camping and fishing for 5 days, and Grandpa Greeley was the only one who had a cold.
Good job.